I'm a documentary filmmaker.
I work in photography and digital marketing right now.
17-year-old filmmaker. I specialize in weddings.
I am actually a startup filmmaker.
I am in-house right now, but I also run a freelance business.
I'm an action sports filmmaker, and I also make promotional videos.
I want to be the spiritual transformation retreat videographer.
I basically like making pretty videos.
If you're a filmmaker having a hard time standing out from the noise, if you're not getting emails from the clients that you really want to be working with, what do we do to actually get our work seen so that way we can get hired? My name is Levi, and I run a production company called Left Coast, where I make adventure films. And I get to work with clients that I love working with and also go make my own passion projects. And I want to walk you through a system that you can use to do this for your business as well. Say it out loud. I make music videos, or I make wedding films. How does that feel to say it out loud? When we actually own it as part of what we do as our work, we can find out pretty quickly, do we want to keep doing that?
This is the kind of business that I want to run, so I'm going to run it my way. It was a big takeaway and inspiration saying you don't have to do it like everybody else is doing it.
If you're trying to do your job well, you're wanting to figure out what that is, so that way when you actually make a proposal for them, you're showing them in the proposal how this investment is actually a no-brainer. I don't want to just keep telling myself that when I finally get bigger client projects, that's when I'll love what I do.
It was great for me to kind of get refocused in what my passion is with filmmaking.
We're trying to have people know that we are worth being trusted in.
It's not just about getting spreadsheets or a way to work through a workflow. It's actually about learning specific skills and practices and how to apply them into your business and into something that you really, really want to do.
That first $3,400 pitch I sent, I kind of just like, like I can feel them almost like laughing at me back. And then they were like, okay, sounds great. And I'm like, dang it, I should have said more.
I also really appreciated his point of professionalism throughout the workshop. For me as a young person, it really resonated with how I'm going to build those relationships and build my business.
Hey, if I want to do this as my job, I need to actually show up when I'm not inspired. That's what it means to be professional.
I would definitely recommend this workshop. Not only will you get clarity in kind of the back end, but also your overall vision.
By the end of this workshop, you'll have a clear process for how you can find your niche, so that way clients can find you and you can actually make work that you're proud of. We are at the age where we can run our own movie studios out of our basements. That is phenomenal. So go do it. Go be bold, select a category for yourself, and see if you can stand out from the noise.